Education.
This is the second round, the ranking round. Athletes, you have to give 7 compulsory poses to the judges and the audience. Ready? Pose number 1. Judge number 23, please come forward in the center of the stage. Half minute, free posing. Judge number 28, half minute, free posing. Judge number 29, please come forward. Judge number 30. Judge number 31. Judge number 28, please come forward. Judge number 28. And you have to give 7 compulsory poses to the judges. Ready? Pose number 1. Together, flex your front double biceps. Together, flex. Latissimus dorsi. Together, flex. Relax. Flex any of your best side chest with the thigh muscles. Together, flex. Relax. Mukesh Parab from Chiranjeevi. Cash prize of 2,000 rupees, trophy and a certificate. 4th place goes to Judge number 31, Datta Prasad Naik from Pitbull Power Gym. Cash prize of 4,000 rupees, trophy and a certificate. 3rd place goes to Judge number 23, Kiran Acharya from Pitbull Power Gym. A bronze medal, cash prize of 6,000 rupees, trophy and a certificate.
दूसरे इनाम फावगर पाक मुकार पेता
Bowmanista Sunil Naik.
Silver medal goes to trunk number 28, Rohit Pednekar from Roberts. Cash prize of 8,000 rupees, trophy and a certificate. Pose number 2. Flex your front latissimus dorsi. Together, flex. Your front latissimus dorsi. Relax. Relax. Flex any of your best side chest with the thigh muscles. Together, flex. Relax.
Akio Talreja.
Thank you, please. Thank you. Fifth place goes to trunk number 37, Narayan Suresh from Pitbull Gym. Fourth place goes to trunk number 39, Anup Kobrekar from Roberts Fitness. Cash prize of 4,000 rupees, trophy, certificate. Third place goes to trunk number 34, Sarwar Khan from SAG Kurchori. Bronze medal, trophy, certificate, and a cash prize of 6,000 rupees.
या स्पर्धेचे दुसरे इनाम फाव करपाक हांव आपयता भोवमानिस्त संतोष महानंदो नायक.
Silver medal goes to trunk number 36, Suraj Konkolkar from Pitbull Power Gym. Silver medal, cash prize of 8,000 rupees, certificate and a trophy.
55 to 60 kg category पहिले इनाम फाव करपाक हांव आपयता भोवमानिस्त सिद्धेश बाब श्रीपाद नायक हांचेकडे.
And the gold medal goes to none other than trunk number 38, Satish Kumpalkar from Roberts Fitness.
जोरान ताळी मारून हांची उर्बा वाडोवची.
Cash prize of 10,000 rupees, gold medal, trophy and a certificate. Thank you. Judges, please note, you have to rank them 1 to 3. I call out your trunk numbers. Please introduce yourself by raising your hand. Trunk number 40, Samir Naik from Chiranjeevi. Trunk number 41, Ashish Shirodkar from Royal Gym. And trunk number 42, Lakshmikant Bomkar from Robert Fitness. Relax. Relax. Pose number 3. Flex any of your best side chest with the thigh muscles. Together. Flex. Relax. Relax. Please turn around. Flex your back double biceps with the right calf. Trunk number 40, please come forward for the free posing routine. Take the center of the stage. Ready? Start. Half a minute. Trunk number 41. Final pose down, make the maximum use of the ramp all together. Thank you athletes. Hand over the prize distribution. Bronze medal goes to trunk number 40, Samir Naik from Chiranjeevi. Bronze medal, certificate and a cash prize of 6,000 rupees. Silver medal goes to trunk number 41, Ashish Shirodkar from Royal Gym. Silver medal, cash prize of 8,000 rupees, certificate and a trophy. Mr. Goa 2016 goes to none other than trunk number 42, Lakshmikant Bomkar from Roberts Fitness. Gold medal, certificate, cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Lakshmikant Bomkar from Robert Fitness. Trunk number 43, 44 and 45.